JEE 2025 question. Radius of first soap bubble is 2 cm and radius of second soap bubble is given 4 cm. Then find out radius of curvature for this common surface. So here for first soap bubble, internal pressure is P1 and external pressure is P0. So for first soap bubble, P1 minus P0 is equal to 4T upon R1, where T is the surface tension of soap bubble. For second soap bubble, internal pressure is P2 and external is P0. That is equal to 4T upon R2. Now equation 1 minus equation 2. So it is P1 minus PO minus P2 minus minus plus PO. So answer is P1 minus P2. 40 upon R1 minus 40 upon R2. 40 is common. In bracket 1 upon R1 minus 1 upon R2. But what is P1 minus P2 here? Here P1 is the internal pressure for this common surface and P2 is the external pressure for this common surface. So P1 minus P2 for this common surface is equal to 4T upon radius of curvature for the common surface. Now equate these two equations. So 4T upon R is equal to 4T 1 upon R1 minus 1 upon R2. Here 4T is cancelled. So 1 upon R is equal to 1 upon R1 minus 1 upon R2. So 1 upon R is equal to R2 minus R1 upon R1 R2. So from this R is equal to R1 R2 upon R2 minus R1. Now substitute the value here. So 2 into 4 upon 4 minus 2. So 8 upon 2. So answer is 4 cm. So radius of common surface is 4 cm. Thank you.